Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most impactful books on personal growth and productivity, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Get ready to unlock the secret to lasting change, as Atomic Habits reveals how small, everyday actions can lead to extraordinary transformations in your life. Atomic Habits by James Clear is a best-selling book that emphasizes the importance of small, incremental changes, or atomic habits, in personal growth. The author presents a 4-step process for habit formation: cue, craving, response, and reward. He argues that success is not about radical changes, but about small improvements that compound over time, known as the aggregation of marginal gains. Here are 20 key insights from Atomic Habits, each designed to help us build better habits and break bad ones. Number 1. The power of tiny habits. Small habits, or atomic habits, may seem insignificant on their own, but when compounded over time, they can lead to massive changes in your life. Number 2. Focus on systems, not goals. Goals are good for setting direction, but systems are what actually drive progress. Focus on creating systems that support your desired outcomes. Number 3. The 1% rule. If you improve by just 1% each day, your progress will be exponential over time. Small, consistent improvements compound. Number 4. The 4 laws of behavior change. The process of building good habits or breaking bad ones can be broken down into 4 simple steps. Cue, what triggers the habit. Craving, the desire behind the habit. Response, the actual habit or action. Reward, the benefit that reinforces the habit. Number 5. Make habits obvious. Design your environment to make cues for good habits obvious. For example, placing a book on your pillow as a reminder to read before bed. Number 6. Make habits attractive. Pair a habit you want to form with something you enjoy. For example, only listen to your favorite podcast while working out. Number 7. Make habits easy. Reduce friction by making your desired habits easy to perform. If you want to work out, lay out your workout clothes the night before. Number 8. Make habits satisfying. Use positive reinforcement. When you complete a habit, reward yourself to make it more satisfying and increase the chances of repeating it. Number 9. Habit stacking. Link a new habit to an existing habit, e.g., after I drink my morning coffee, I'll meditate for 5 minutes. This leverages the power of already established habits. Number 10. Identity-based habits. Focus on who you want to become, not just what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, I want to run a marathon, say, I am a runner. Your identity shapes your habits. Number 11. The plateau of latent potential. In the early stages of habit formation, results are often invisible. Consistency matters, even when you don't see immediate progress. Number 12. The 2-minute rule. To make a new habit easy to start, focus on the first 2 minutes. For example, if you want to read more, start by reading just 1 page a day. Number 13. The role of environment. Your environment shapes your habits. Set up your space to encourage good behaviors and eliminate cues for bad habits. Number 14. The habit loop. Every habit follows a cycle of cue, craving, response, and reward. Understanding this loop allows you to interrupt bad habits and create new ones. Number 15. Don't break the chain. Track your habits and try to make progress every day, no matter how small. The streak becomes motivating, and breaking the chain can feel like a setback. Number 16. The Goldilocks rule. For habits to be sustainable, they need to be challenging but not too difficult. The optimal level of challenge is just beyond your current abilities, keeping you engaged and motivated. Number 17. Focus on processes, not results. Shifting your focus from the outcome to the process helps you stay consistent. Enjoy the journey of improvement rather than obsessing over the destination. Number 18. Master the art of showing up. Consistency is key. Even when you don't feel like it, show up and do the smallest version of the habit. This keeps the habit alive, and momentum builds over time. Number 19. The importance of tracking. Tracking your habits provides instant feedback and reinforces positive behavior. It helps you see progress and makes it easier to identify where you are slipping. Number 20. The role of accountability. Surround yourself with supportive people who help you stay accountable. Sharing your goals with others increases your chances of success. To conclude, Atomic Habits that emphasizes the importance of small, consistent actions over time for lasting improvements. It emphasizes the importance of identity and practical strategies like habit stacking, the 1% rule, and the Goldilocks principle. Atomic Habits teaches that success isn't about drastic transformations but about embracing the power of small habits. Don't miss out on more insightful content. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Charming Volume for more book reviews, life lessons and personal growth strategies. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.